Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSim that will work in Belgium, and the link and coupon will be in the description and open description, and click on link Wi-Fi eSim, alright, and open this website wi-fi.com and click on this and write Bel, alright, open this new page and scroll down and choose data type unlimited or fixed data. And choose a speed plan, light, plus or premium and select days. I'm select 30 days and click on buy it now. Open new page and write discount code ROAM tips. This name my channel and click on apply. Alright, this very good for the discount and click on Google Pay and buy eSim or write email, write payment and write billing address and click on pay now and buy eSim, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.